Canada. How may I help you?
Yes, I had a voicemail this afternoon, but I wasn't able to write down the information because I was driving at the time.
Okay, sir. And do you know what is this call regarding, sir?
No, it said there's something important about my social insurance number, but like I said, I was on
Yes,
the
sir.
highway.
Yes, sir. This call
Beg
is
pardon?
regarding for a sir. This call is regarding for a social insurance number, sir. My name is Michael Smith. I am the case consultant officer of Service Canada. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm okay. It's just the call has confused me because I wasn't able to pull over. It's on the Bluetooth, and I just couldn't take the
Yes,
information.
sir. Don't be confused, sir. I'm here to help you out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the first time you're talking with me right now, sir.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So can you please help me with your case ID, sir? Do you have any case ID with you?
I wasn't able to write it down. Like I said, I was driving on the highway, and I couldn't take my hands look for paper and pen.
Sir, I'm not telling you to take a grab of pen and paper, sir. What I'm asking you is, can you please help me with your case ID, sir? Do you have any case IDs there with you?
No, I didn't record it.
Okay, so can you please verify your first name and last name, sir?
Yeah, my first name is a French Canadian name. My first name is Calin, Caline, Calin. Last name is Dubin, Debinne, Calin Dubin.
Okay, sir, can you please verify your social insurance number, sir? Because we need to pull up your file from our records.
Okay, that's
Can you just hold this line for a second, sir?
certainly
Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience, sir.
okay.
Okay, sir. Now I'm going to tell you about the affidavit which is there in front of me. I'm going to tell you this, so just listen this carefully, okay?
Yes, I'd like to know each and everything.
Oh, sir, pardon?
I'd like to know what's going on. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. And sir, right now you're driving?
No, I'm home now, but when the voicemail came
Oh,
in, I was
cool,
driving.
cool. Okay, cool. Okay, sir. So under the Section 205 of the Social Insurance Number Act, we are authorized you to request and collect certain information about you to allow us to permit access to our recordable line. So just give me a second and let me pull out your file, okay, sir?
Merci, thank you.
Okay, so as do I see, we try to contact you, and the reason behind that was to inform you regarding legal enforcement action filed on your SIN number. And we have got an audit requested by the multiple departments because they have found many unsure illegal activities running under your social insurance number, sir. So are you aware of this situation, sir?
No. What the hell?
Sir, are you aware of this situation?
No, first I've heard of it.
Okay, so before we proceed further, I would like to know, expect this call, did anyone contact you from any local authorities, maybe police department or any RCMP?
No, this is the first I've heard of it.
Okay, alright, well in that case, I would want you to take a pen and piece of paper and note down some of the basic information regarding this case. You can take your time, sir.
Okay, I have a pen and paper here. I'm at my desk.
Okay, cool. So please note down your case ID, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
It's P for Papa, R for Roger, it's PR,
PR
number 49
49
682.
682. So
And
PR
since I,
49682.
yes, sir, it's PR 49682, right?
Thank you. Yes, that's what I have.
Okay, and since I am your concerned officer, note down my information. My name is Michael Smith.
Michael Smith. Okay, thank you.
Okay, and please note down my batch number, sir.
A badge number. Okay,
It's SIM
SIM
4464
4464
800.
800.
Yes, sir.
And can I ask you a
So,
question?
Sure, sir.
To verify your credentials, what is your office address?
Sir, our office is in Toronto, Ontario, sir.
Okay, do you have a street address?
Pardon?
Do you have a street address just for my records so I know which office I was calling?
Yes, sir. It's 559 College Street, Suite 100.
Okay, thank you. So go ahead.
Okay, so I will explain you everything now, sir. But before we proceed further, I would like to note that this call has been recorded by the courthouse and state authorities, and you have the right to remain silent. And later, if you have any questions, you will be provided with fair time to speak once I am done. Okay, sir?
Yes, please. I agree.
Okay, so as I told you earlier, sir, your social insurance number has found under doubtful activities, and there are two serious allegations under your name, sir. Which are first one is fraud by Canada Border Service Agency for finding illegal drugs, trying to enter the border using your social insurance number under Section 79 of Criminal Code, and second one is under Section 83(1) of the Criminal Code for money laundering to suspect illegal funding. So, are you aware of this situation, sir?
No, I'm completely gobsmacked. That makes no sense to me.
Okay, so well, the investigation started when we found a dump car which was 2016 manufactured Kia Soul at the south border of Nunavut. And after inspection, we found a drug trace at the back seat as well as in the trunk of the vehicle. After investigation of the car papers, the address linked with the title of vehicle was 266th Avenue, Harbach, Nunavut, XOAOKO. Meanwhile, when the RCMP went down to the address, there was no one in the house and they found approximately 20 pounds of cocaine in hiding. And later, they found that the same house was a prime hub for supply of drugs to the local suppliers, schools, and colleges. So let me just ask you one thing, sir. How often do you visit Nunavut? Have you ever been there?
Well, I usually live in Nunavut.
Pardon?
My normal address is in Nunavut.
Okay. And do you have any friends or family who stays nearby this address which I had given you?
No, I live in Cambridge Bay. My address is 123 Airport Road, Cambridge Bay, Nunavut, X0B0C0.
Okay, so you stay in Nunavut, right?
I live in Nunavut. Yes. I do
Okay, so
business in
okay,
the south.
so
I live in Nunavut.
okay, okay. So while inspecting the house, the RCMP also found the documents of 15 bank accounts recently opened under your name, which are used for several local as well as offshore transfers, and also six different credit cards used majorly for booking hotel rooms and renting cars. So let me just ask you one thing, sir. Why are you using 15 bank accounts, sir?
Well, it's obviously I'm not using 15 bank accounts. I have a checking and I have a savings account. I don't know about the other 13
Okay.
on
So
mine.
you just have one bank account, right, sir?
Oh, that's correct.
Okay, so as I told you, there are 15 bank accounts which is recently open under your name, sir. So we have to verify that 15 bank accounts, including your bank accounts, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can you please tell me in which bank you having bank account, sir?
Yes, my bank account is in the Civil Service Co-op.
Service.
The Civil Service Co-op. It's a credit union.
Okay, it's a credit union, right, sir?
That's correct.
Okay, sir. Okay, let me tell you one thing, sir. I don't want your bank account number. I don't want your debit card number. I don't want your credit card number. Okay. I just want to know what is the available checking balance in your credit union bank, sir.
Uh, Let me check.
Sure, sir. You can check and you can take your time, sir.
Okay, my checking account, I have $37,682.47.
Okay. And do you have any savings in that, sir?
Yeah, my savings account is $800.12.
Okay, and do you have any credit card of this bank, sir?
Yes, I have a MasterCard.
Okay, you have a Mastercard, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. And what is the limit of your Mastercard, sir?
I think my current MasterCard limit is $10,000.
Okay, $10,000. Okay. Can you just hold this line for a second, sir?
Certainly.
Thank you so much, sir. Hello, sir. You there?
Yes, I am. I thought
Thank you
I'd
for the
disconnect.
patience. No, no, sir. Thank you for the patience, sir.
Certainly.
Uh, sir, I'm just transferring this call to my senior officer. He will guide you regarding this whole case, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes?
Yes, good afternoon. Your line has been connected to Officer Jeffrey, the Senior Counselor with Service Canada. I hope you're doing great, sir.
Well, I was doing great, and now I'm all worried.
I understand, sir. So at the moment, I'm busy on resolving one more case, okay? And what we'll do is we'll call you back in next 30 minutes. Will that be okay? We'll give you a call from the Service Canada number, which will start from 1-800, so make sure you receive the call. This is a cell phone on which we are talking right now, right?
Well, it's actually a satellite phone.
Cell phone, I said.
No, satellite phone. We don't have cell
It's a
service up here in Nunavut.
Oh, all right. No problem. So I'll get back to you, sir. Okay?